We'll guide you through how to use Printify for Etsy. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printify website. Once there, make sure you're logged into your Printify account, or go ahead and create one if you haven't yet. Once you're logged in, look for the catalog section at the top of the page. This is where you'll find a wide range of products you can customize and sell. Choose a product you want to sell on Etsy, like a t-shirt or a mug. Click on your chosen product and you'll be taken to a design editor here. You can upload your design or create one using Printify's design tools. After you're happy with your design, click Save Product. Next, go to the My Stores tab in the Printify dashboard. Click Connect and select Etsy from the list of platforms. You'll need to authorize Printify to access your Etsy account, so make sure you're also logged into Etsy in another tab. Once connected, return to the Printify dashboard and go to the My Products section. Find the product you just created and click Add to Store. You'll be prompted to fill in product details like title, description, and pricing. Make sure these match the style and tone of your Etsy shop. After completing the details, hit Publish to send the product to your Etsy store. Check your Etsy shop to ensure the product listing is active and everything looks correct. It's a good idea to review your shipping settings on Etsy, as Printify will handle fulfillment and delivery. And that's it, you're all set to start selling your custom products on Etsy through Printify. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.